This episode is about drum synthesis on the Digitakt. In order to do this, we'll first be looking at the concept behind kicks and snares using Vital, and then we'll be discussing how we can apply what we've learned in order to make a full drum kit using nothing but white noise, a sine wave and a triangle wave. As a bonus, there'll be a few tricks which you can use to enhance your existing drums. So let's get started. So a snare is made up of two different parts, essentially a triangle and white noise. If we come onto here and we mute the white noise, we're just left with the triangle. And I'll show you that there's two envelopes on the triangle. First one is volume envelope. The second one is a pitch envelope. Now if we turn the white noise on and the triangle off, we can see the third envelope is just for white noise. And together we get a nice punchy snare. Let's move on to a kick drum. So with the kick drums, it's just one pitch envelope. On a sine wave, so pretty simple. Now let's move on to the Digitakt. Okay, so this is what I come up with. So let's break this down. First of all, we've got a kick drum, which is a sine wave. And I've got two pitch envelopes on it. So sample tune to envelope. And I've done that twice. Now if we move on to the snare, I've got sample tune on it again to make a short, snappy little tom sound. And I've also got amp velocity on it, and the reason I've done that is so that we have better control over the ADSR. So we already have control over it, but with this, we have a bit more. The hi-hat is just simply high passed, and for the white noise, obviously we've high passed it and I've given it a bit of an envelope. So and then if we go to track, you'll see that I'm using distortion in order to make stuff a bit more snappy.